Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. And as usual, me don come again with breaking news. Me don come with updates, me get report for my table like this way the general public need to dey aware about. And the cocoa now be say Sir George Nweke wey be the former Rivers State head of service don come outside now come fire back at Governor Siminalayi Fubara. He now don drop another banger wey fit cause another controversy. For inside one video now wey air for tori pipo their channel on Tuesday wey be the first day of April for inside this year 2025, Oga George no mince his words at all. He now dey express shock say Sasim Fubara sidestep his explosive accusation of masterminding the attack on the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. According to how the talk take come aside from Oga George mouth, he said the governor danced around the real issue, chattering about side matters, while the smoking gun, and that na his alleged role in the destruction of the Rivers State House of Assembly, was untouched. So like this now, my good people, Oga George now don turn up the heat. He now dey yarn say there is mystery about this whole matter. Say since the assembly catch fire, since the assembly was destroyed, nobody set up inquiry panel to find out wetin caused the destruction abi wetin caused the fire. Rivers State was silenced. He now come dey ask say why the hush hush, why e be say men keep quiet, why e be say men no inquire about wetin true sup. But the general public deserve answers, not evasions. The general public now supposed to know wetin dey happen for inside their state and for inside we nation Nigeria. For inside this video so, my good people, Oga George wey be the former Rivers State head of service just dey fire shots, just dey criticize the administration of Sasim Fubara for leaving the incident deep in secrecy. And like this now, my good people, the allegations and counter claims wey dey come from men now don dey reignite the political inferno for inside Rivers State. Normally na Bayelsa mega rally na be the talk of the town, but this showdown now between these two mature men, e don steal the spotlight. Men now dey expect more fireworks as the saga dey unfold. Meanwhile, as men dey wait for the response of Sir Siminalayi Fubara, the Eche ethnic nationality for inside Rivers State, and that na the hometown to the former head of service wey be George Nweke, dem now don come outside come publicly disown Oga George. Dem now don denounce his recent allegations against Sir Siminalayi Fubara as externally influenced falsehood. And now for inside one strongly worded press conference wey happen for inside Port Harcourt on Tuesday, wey be the first day of April for inside this year 2025. So the leaders of Eche dey label Oga George as a liar, a betrayal, and a man wey men no fit trust at all. The Eche leaders now dey yarn say due to the erratic behaviour and unstable character of the former head of service wey be George Nweke, men now don exclude am. Men no dey like invite am for essential community meetings where men dey discuss issues wey dey disturb Eche people. Now my good people, mo no forget say the former head of service wey be Dr. George Nweke, for inside press conference wey im get for inside Abuja, im bin don accuse Governor Sim Fubara of orchestrating the demolition of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex in an attempt to prevent his impeachment. And his team proceed further dey yarn say the Rivers State governor wey be Sasim Fubara na pay his former chief of staff wey be Dr. Edison to execute the demolition. And also im dey claim say Sasim Fubara dey work with militants dem. Although Sasim Fubara plus the men wey he mentioned for his accusations don come outside come dismiss the accused and the allegations dem. They say all those levels no be true. But however, Eche stakeholders too don come outside come strongly dismiss the claims dem, and dem dey yarn say the things and things wey Dr. George dey yarn na script wey sponsors from Abuja give am to tarnish the image of Sasim Fubara. Now according to how the talk take come outside from the mouth of men, they say they want to make it very much clear say the allegations of the former head of service are very much baseless, and the claims dem wey the man make for his press conference are nothing but lies influenced by external political forces. And wetin Sir George dey try do now na to please his paymasters dem for inside Abuja. This talk, my good people, dey come from one countryman wey dey go by the name W0ong OP0RIUSLY, and him na the former member of the House of Representatives, and im dey lead the group of Eche leaders. And still on the matter, my good people, the Eche leaders come still dey yarn say before the controversial press relief, the former head of service wey be George Nweke bin don secretly approach the chief of staff of the Rivers State government house, and he approach Oga Edison sake of financial assistance in exchange for his loyalty. and the group now constantly expose discrepancies. They constantly expose some kind talk wey no connect for the statement of Oga George wey be the former head of service, and that na sake of say the things and things wey Oga George dey yarn no match with the testimony of his wife, and that dey further discriminate his claims and e dey demonstrate his lack of credibility. And now the Eche ethnic group dey call on security agencies to investigate the conduct of Oga George wey be former head of service and make dem hold the man accountable for allegedly spreading falsehood against Governor Siminalayi Fubara wey just chop suspension so, and other prominent Rivers State leaders. And the group now dey yarn say that go serve as a strong example to anybody wey wish to spread lies for political or financial gain. If dem use Oga George now as scapegoat, e go make many men for inside we nation Nigeria comot body from anything now wey go spoil the name of any country person sake of say dem dey pursue their pocket or political interest. Now after every the Eche leaders come use the opportunity to take voice their opposition to the state of emergency rule imposed in Rivers State, which last come lead to the suspension of Governor Siminalayi Fubara plus his deputy governor and all members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. The group now dey appeal give our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to make him reconsider the decision. And the group dey sama warning say the declaration was not in the best interest of Rivers State and the thing fit escalate the ongoing political tensions. Meanwhile, the former chairman of Obe-Akpor local government wey be W0ong OP0RIUSLY, he now don react after Oga George bin sama accuse give am say im dey among the men now wey go set ablaze the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. And Oga George bin dey sama accuse say Oga W0ong OP0RIUSLY bin witness as the Rivers State Governor Sasim Fubara bin dey hand over bag of money to the chief of staff wey be Edison. And the purpose of the money na for Oga Edison to go set ablaze the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. But however, for inside one interview now with Tori people, Oga OP0RIUSLY now dey strongly deny the allegations and he now dey yarn say make Oga George provide evidence, make him come outside come throw more light, make him come outside come give more details, make him come outside come yarn the kind of cloth wey him dey wear, the color wey the cloth be, and how him take dress on the alleged night wey him allegedly witness the handover of bag of money for the destruction of the Rivers State House of Assembly complex. And he gats back up his allegations with evidence because he no go fit dey mislead general public, he no go fit dey lie dey give countrymen sake of say he want to please his paymaster, sake of say he want to put a smile on the faces of those men wey don buy his loyalty. So this my good people na the informative I wan share with the general public. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop you. Feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Once again, now we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby now to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And if you be say you like this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as they bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the updates and you go receive them sharp. Now me they come back with more news, with more information for you my good people. Try make it no go anywhere.